Kimmy, back in the fall, I used to be, I was such at a point where I'd say, give me some secretive HFT unknown trading model, blah, 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 blah. With that model, Kimmy, it would tell me exactly what it was and some of the outside of the realm that are borderline legal, outright illegal things that HFT shops do. But now with the new Kimmy, uh, all that bias, you can't get any of that data anymore because of the biases built into the newer versions of Kimmy, unfortunately. But back in the fall, yeah, you could easily get conspiracy level, high frequency trading strategy ideas. But now, over the last year, I think the CCP has kind of has clamped down on that, and now they have the biases to prevent that from coming out in any of the newer models, and all the older models just drop away. So trying to look for that particular model may not exist anymore. So, for example, um, some of the secretive stuff that the HFT shops use are data providers that I don't think the newer models will tell you about. So, for instance, some of the techniques that a lot of HFT shops would use. So, let's say if they knew that gold mining was going to go up, they would have data services that they would get access to, like through an API, and the satellite was purely built for watching smoke coming out of gold mines. So if they knew that there's smoke coming out of the gold mines, and they knew that possibly the gold price would go up. But coming back to this HFT stuff, the other one that was really good was, how do they know if the Fed is going to make a move on interest rates being up or down? You know how they did it? There'd be satellite services that would watch the parking lot of the Federal Reserve. So if there's more cars overnight before the actual call, the meeting for the call, they'd be able to determine if there's going to be at least a move on the Fed. They didn't know which it was going to be, up or down, but that was one way how they gauge if there's a federal call, a Federal Reserve call.